Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the default font on your Realme device. First, open your phone's settings application. Then, scroll down and tap on either personalization or display and brightness, depending on your Realme UI version. Next, locate and select the font and display size option to proceed with customizing your device's typography. Once you are in the Font and Display Size menu, tap on Font or the More option. This will seamlessly take you to the integrated Realme theme store. Here, you will discover a vast and diverse collection of font styles, ranging from elegant to playful, allowing you to find the perfect look for your phone's interface. Within the theme store, take your time to browse through the numerous font options. You will find both free and paid selections to suit every taste. Once you have found a font that you like, simply tap on it to preview. Then, confirm your choice by tapping the Apply button to set it as your device's new default font. Congratulations! Your Realme device's default font has now been successfully changed. You can further enhance your viewing experience by returning to the Font and Display Size settings to adjust the font size and display size. This allows for optimal readability and a truly personalized interface, making your phone uniquely yours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.